Hello traders, welcome back to today's video on Logan MT5 by Thierry Aulet from Canada. It's a cold EA sitting on the MKO5 market right now, priced at $289 with the usual limited time talk that the price is about to jump to $499 on August 21st. Now there are options to rent for 1 month at $79 and for 3 months at $209. Now before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now back to the EA. Let's start with what the developer actually claims on the product page because that's the only thing we're going to walk through first. I will also go through my backtest results later on in the video, so keep watching. The seller is pretty clear that this is not your typical gold grade EA that just keeps opening trades non-stop and chewing through margin. Instead, he says Logan AI or EA patiently waits for high probability setups. Before it even opens the first position, it runs through a checklist, which are three exponential moving averages lined up across multiple time frames, ADX to confirm trend strength, current tick volume compared to recent activity. You can see everything here. The volatility sitting on an acceptable ATR range, the spread looking decent, and the current candle showing enough directional momentum. Now, only when every single one of these conditions line up does it pull the entry trigger. Now, if price then moves against that first trade, the recovery system kicks in. It uses ATR-based grid spacing, so the distance between orders expands or contracts with actual market volatility instead of fixed pips, and it pairs that with dynamic lot progression. The developer claims this setup can handle adverse moves of over 100 points without the account getting wiped the way classic grids often do. Now, he also states that the vast majority of trades close on the initial position and never even need the recovery grid at all. Now, the basket closes when the combined positions hit a predefined profit target. It's worth noting that he repeatedly highlights a back-tested win rate above 80% and calls that exceptional for anything with a grid component. As you can see here, this is his backtest result for the Logan MT5. We'll compare that with mine in a few minutes, so keep watching. You see some pretty aggressive numbers. 18,590 net profit, profit factor of 4.45, profit trades of 80, close to 90 honestly, and drawdown of 2.5 balance and 10.89 equity. We see that again in another backtest from 2025 to 2026, medium risk and similar results. And that's the core pitch straight from the developer's own words. You can go through the page to see his marketed tools. But we'll move straight on to the backtest results. My backtest results using gold USD. Let's go there. Gold USD M15 time frame as recommended for a period of 1 year, August 2025 to August 2026. Every tick based on real ticks. 1 is to 100 leverage, and a $10K starting deposit. Now my final profits net came in at around $10,600. Profit factor 1.92, lower than the 4.45 that they claim. Still okay. Profit trades 88, similar to what they claim on their backtest results. But our balance drawdown came in at around 20%, which is significantly higher than what they showed. And equity drawdown came in around 21%. Now we can see it made significantly more large and average losses compared to the large and average profits respectively. But overall, it still made some consecutive wins and so on. If you scroll down, we can see profit and losses by weekdays. You can see I made more profits Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday came down. Thursday losses superseded the profit. I made losses July, more losses in July, and more profits in May. Looking over at the equity curve, it climbs pretty steadily. As you can see, for most of the year with the usual small dips and peaks you expect from a recovery system. Then near the end, there's a sharp drop from around 25,000, you can see here, back down toward 20,000 before it stabilizes. That drop lines up exactly with the maximum consecutive loss and the 20% drawdown. So how does that stack up against the developer's claim? The win rate holds up nicely, like I said earlier. As I showed you before, apart from the profit trade, everything else was significantly lower than the developer's claim, or higher in terms of drawdown. Now, who is this actually for? Traders already understand and accept recovery style risk on gold, run proper low spread brokers, and have enough capital that a 20% equity swing doesn't force them out. People who like the idea of waiting for multi-filter confirmation instead of constant overtrading should also consider it. But if you want to skip it and you're someone who needs tight drawdowns for prop firm challenges without heavy risk reduction, or you simply don't want to sit through the occasional ugly recovery phase that's inherent to this approach, probably best you skip it then. Everything I've shown you based on past historical performance and past results never guarantee future ones, and life conditions, spreads, and news events will always change the picture. If this breakdown helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robot you want me to test next. And don't forget that free MT4 and MT5 robots with indicators and candlestick patterns. Link is right in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.